Michael, some have said that our meeting was fate, or that it was destiny, or that we were meant to be. But I think meeting you was just dumb luck, because only luck would have given me the opportunity to encounter someone as wonderful, caring, and foxy as you.
We've been together almost 6 years now, and I still get butterflies in my stomach when I see you. I still feel excited every night as I ride the train home after a long day at work, knowing that you and Penny will be there waiting for me. You've been there for me, through good times and bad. You've seen me at my worst, and you've helped me to be my best. You are my love, my life, my beauty queen. You're my best friend.
Since the day we first met at that coffee machine, you and I have shared a connection that few people are fortunate enough to find in this world. We quickly fell in love and became each other's best friends. Over the last 6 years, you have shown me unconditional love and unending support, even on my worst days.
You saw
So on this day, I promise to always be there for you, not only as a husband, but as a companion, a partner, and a friend. I promise to always take care of you, to be there for you when you need me to be. I promise to always consider you in everything that I do.
I promise to give you the best of myself and to ask of you no more than you can give. I promise to always seek out new adventures for us, whether they're somewhere across the globe or right here where we fell in love.
I'm proud to declare that you're now husband and wife. Please kiss your lovely bride.